Welcome back. On behalf of Babu Banasidas University School of Management, I am Dr. Surendra Kumar. Today we are discussing about the team learning and appreciative inquiry. As you know, and you know, even we know also, what is the role of the team learning and appreciative inquiry in a just outer look is to be there. We have been already discussed about the team. Team is a group of members who are deliberately for certain tasks. After finishing the task, the team is adjourned. Then so we are discussing first this thing, then these things, and then evaluation of that. So reaching on team learning, we have been discussed about team. Now can we just say down what is the learning is to be there. Anyone know about the learning? Learning is basically a relatively permanent change in behavior that occurs as a result of prior experience. So this is basically the learning. Team learning, whatever we learn by the views of the experiences, we have to come day by day, we have to be strong in inner will, and then after accordingly we will justify and we will win the matches over there. Because learning is a change in behavior through education and training, practice and experience in the team members, whatever. Because in the team learning, it is accompanied by acquisition of knowledge, skills, expertise, which are relatively permanent. As we grow day by day, our knowledge, skills and everything. Temporary change, if anything is to be there, may be only reflexive and fail to represent the learning. So in the learning, we have to then day by day is to be there. Learning can be defined as a relatively permanent changes in behavior. Our knowledge, our experience is as a result of that. Because in team learning, there are certain things. Team learning involves a change through not necessarily improvement in behavior, and learning may be good or the bad, but the main thing is to be there. How team is to be take up, that experience is to be there. Then we have to take up the second thing, like team learning. Team learning in behavior must be relatively permanent. If we have to learn, we know the things, now this can hamper our team, then definitely we should not that type of things to be there. The change in team behavior and the team learning, team process, we should be occur as a result of experience, and that should be in a proactive basis or the training basis. Proactive, we should be reactive. कि अगर हम ऐसा करेंगे ऐसा हो सकता है, तो we should be learned about that is to be. Then the practice or experience must be reinforces in order for team learning. Day by day practice. अगर आप देखेंगे इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम की बात करें तो आपके टीवीज पे भी आ जाते हैं, यार इन्होंने कैप्टन ने प्रैक्टिस की, यार इन्होंने प्रैक्टिस की, आप कहते हैं प्रैक्टिस की जरूरत क्या है? नहीं. For the team process, team development, team enthusiasm, workforce delivery, we have day by day improvement is to be there. Ultimate, we should get the win. We should get the reward, whatever so. So in this team learning process, team learning things, this is the prime consideration is to be there. And when we are discussing about the team learning, there are certain approaches it was there. In the certain approaches, if you have to look after, then the thing is, one thing was classical conditioning. Classical conditioning. Classical conditioning. These are basically the behavioral approach for the team learning processes. In the classical behavioralist, particularly in the things, we have to depend totally on the stimulus and response. याद करिए, इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम, अगर किसी ने, कहते हैं कुछ बॉलर्स की बात कर लो जनरली, अगर किसी बॉल पे किसी खिलाड़ी ने अगर सिक्सर मार दिया तो इमीडिएटली नेक्स्ट बॉल पे वो रिएक्शन चेंज करता है, और हो सकता है कि वो शुरू में एक दो बॉल पे सामने वाले ने सिक्सर मारा है, लेकिन कई बार उसी प्लेयर के द्वारा वो आउट भी होता है. मतलब where the stimulus is to be there, response should be come down. एक मच्छर हमको काटता है यहाँ पे मॉस्किटो, इमीडिएटली हमारा हाथ खिसकता है, because this is the nervous system pledged to be. The same thing. We have the classical condition is to be there. Whatever behavior is to be there, the second should be get down the responses accordingly. So in the team, if the team learning process, we have, if you are reactive, again the reaction will be come down. Or if our positivity approach is to be there, definitely we will get down the sharp values is to be there. Then operant condition. Operant condition. Operant condition is totally depend on the reverse. This is first we get down the response, then we have to stimulate the things to be, because operant behavioralistic, such as Skinner described the role of the consequences in understanding the learning processes to be there. Operant behavior means voluntary or learned techniques. We have to learn day by day, then accordingly we have to behave for the betterment of our team development is to be there. Then cognitive. This is to be cognitive. Cognitive team learning can be carried out that achievement by thinking about the perceived relationships between events and the individual goals. If the team goal and our goal become the same thing, definitely we will die accordingly. Yeah, that is to be Dangal, the last one. Hum haare to desh, father kaha. What? Or later on, she win the game is to be there. So in the social learning, there are certain things is to be there. Social learning for the team, social learning, team process. In the social learning team process, it is an integrative values and the learning process in which explain the people learn through observations and the direct experiences. If we are not shoot, एकदम से अगर आप मुझे रिवॉल्वर दे दीजिए कि जी भाई साहब सामने निशान लगाइए, तो हम लोग नहीं लगा पाते हैं. इवन किसी आप उसमें जाते हैं जब कोई मेले में या किसी ऐसे में, वहाँ पर कई एयर गन्स रखी होती हैं, कहते हैं बैलून को निशान लगाइए, हम लोग उठाते हैं, उस छर्रा उसमें लगाता है और चलाते हैं. क्या होता है? एक इधर गया, एक इधर गया, एक बाई चांस बाइक लग गया, तब फूटा. लेकिन वो बाई चांस है. It's not a learning to be there. We have never practiced to be that way. So in this learning process, in which the process is to be there, we have to look after these things to be. Because in the team learning, if the approach is to be the classical, operant, cognitive or social things is what is, definitely our team will be go high and higher, or this approach will be carried out on certain values as per the need, as per the want is to be there, as per the system approach is to be there. Because ultimate unless this system is not settled. Because we cannot say down कि हर जगह एक ही सिस्टम पाया जाएगा. No, depend on organization, depend on the employees, depend on environmental factor, maybe intrinsic or extrinsic, maybe the macro and micro environmental factors. We cannot say down कि how we operate in that condition. So for the team learning processes, team learning stepping, we should take up the appreciative inquiry is to be there. And now we have to come down the appreciative inquiries. In the appreciative inquiries, what is that? Appreciative inquiry is basically a strength-based positive approach. Strength-based positive approach. Positive approach. Strength-based positive approach. To leadership development and organization change. Leadership development and organization change as a system, because learning is a step. We already do something, cognitive step, whatever classical approach, whatever something. In the appreciative inquiry, we have to take care that thing, because individual here the role is both plays vital things, individuals as well as the team. So as an individual, as a team is to be there, our strength is like that is to be. Then an individual inquiry, because an individual might use an appreciative inquiry for leadership, coaching, or to develop a personal strategic vision. Teams and organizations use artificial intelligence to understand best practices, because this theory can be come down by the means of the software technologies also, even our day-to-day practices also. Develop strategic plans, shift culture and create forward momentums on large scale initiatives. At the societal level, Appreciative inquiry has also been used to find common ground topics of global importance. So appreciative inquiry has been used to globally by public and private organizations in all sizes in the terms of the team learning practices, including the sales is common thing is to be there, because sales the team effort is to be there and time the process to be there. Now in this process, what makes appreciative inquiry different from other approaches to be there in the team learning system? So we can say there are certain things like organizational vision, organizational inquiries, then positive approach, extraordinary performance. This may change in by values of the team learning toward the side of the appreciative inquiry, because in the appreciative inquiry we have been told about the leadership development and the organizational change by the values of the strength toward the positive approach. Now what is the component of appreciative inquiry? Because ultimately, unless we have not knowledge about the components, we cannot say that this is the main thing. So components. In the component, there are 4 things was there. What is the 4 things? This is discovery. Discovery, what? Khoj. And the main thing is to be there. What is the best thing to be there? Discovery. Then 4th, second is dream. Appreciative inquiry. Dream. 3rd is design. And what about the 4 was to be? 4 is destiny. जो होना है वो होगा ही. So we have to. Or someone is to be there, destiny or deploy. I will just take up the step by step to be there, by which you can clearly understand what is the appreciative inquiry. Appreciative inquiry is basically the values toward the side of the organization in which we have to take a positive approach to leadership development and the organization change. So these are the 4 things was there. So in this model, we have taken the 4 things. That the first is discovery. In this, participant explores the best of what is. The best of what is. In a team. क्योंकि एक ही बार चांस मिलेगा, दोबारा नहीं मिलेगा. So you have to show whatever the best is to be there. Just leave it the result. That means identify the organizational strength, best practices and sources of excellence, vitality and peak performance you should know in the team learning systems to be there. Because team learning is totally dependent on the day-to-day experiences to be there, and as we learn, we will stabilize the processes to be there. Then accordingly we have plans to be there. So sir, we should know about the best of what it is. And in this process, we should know about the strength, then practices, best practices. We are not telling about the looks. Then sources of excellence. Then second thing is dream. What is the dream? Dream is basically participants envision a future they really want. सपना देखते हैं हम लोग कि हम ये कर देंगे, ये कर देंगे, कल के क्रिकेट टूर्नामेंट में, कल के मैच में उतरेंगे, कल या कल हमारा प्रेजेंटेशन होगा, हम कल ऐसे कर देंगे, वैसा कर देंगे. Now this type of things was there. This is the dream approach is to be there. A future where the organization is fully engaged and successful around its core purpose and strategic objectives. When things to very clear कि in future we will do this thing, this is our dream is to be there, we will do this thing, like that process is to be there. So this is the really want. What really want? Really want. This is the main thing is to be there. So in this, then third is design. Now we have to participate, leverage the best of what is and their vision for the future to design high impact strength. High impact strength. High impact strength. जब मैं मूवी देख रहा था महेंद्र सिंह धोनी की, तो वो शायद फुटबॉल खेलते थे। किसी टीचर ने उनको देखा और कहा कि नहीं, उसको विकेट कीपर का बैट्समैन बनाओ। लेटर ऑन विकेट कीपर कब बने मुझे नहीं आइडिया, बट धीमे 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 तो the main thing is to be there, whatever the strength is to be there, whatever your strength, whatever the problem is to be there, you should know clearly the things is to be. And we have to develop a future to design high impact strength that moves the organization, creativity and distribution in the right direction is to be there. So if you got it, that type of direction is to be there, definitely our team motive will be very, very clear. And finally, the destination or the deploy, we have to give, we means the team members. Team members should strengthen into action, revising as necessary. Action should be taken out. In this action scenario, we have to cater each and everything is to be there. Ultimate, the main thing was there, how we will generate the team deployment is to be there. Ultimate, we will not get down the result, definitely we cannot say down. Because in this discovery phase, you will find the example when your company has been at its best around innovation, and then identify the common factors of the in the organization. Best practices you should know in that time, because you have to discover what is the best practices is to be there. Then in the dream phase, you have invested time in thinking about what a truly innovative organization would look like. हमारे यहाँ ये चीजें हैं, हमारी जैसी कंपनी और काम करती है, उनके ऐसा क्या क्या चीजें हैं, we should be clearly understand the things. Because we are related with the business management group, that's why I am discussing some topics and some values in the terms of the organization values concept is to be there. So in the team, we have to learning process day by day by the values of the system. Then things very clear, you know the components was to be there. Then accordingly you have to design for the future was there, and then accordingly we have to plan the destinies to be there. So main thing now, what is the role of the appreciative inquiry in the terms of the team learning? Now the concept is clear, क्योंकि कुछ लोगों के मन में ये भी होगा कि why we are discussing about appreciative inquiry. In this appreciative inquiry, you have to look after, because each and everything is to be very clear that appreciative inquiry is the process of systems by which we have to discovering, dream, design and destiny is to be there, and by the values of the process. Now in this all the foundation stone, we have to come down the very lucrative forms. What is the lucrative things is to be? We have already discussed. We will discuss the team learning process. Then we have to discuss the appreciative inquiry. Now the third thing is, what is the meaning of team learning and appreciative inquiry in the process of the team building? Now the third thing, third part. By means of appreciative inquiry, we have to get down the real values of the appreciation. Whatever the literature is to be there, one thing is to very clear all of you, that first you should break the topic in a very small form, then you have to correlate the things. The same thing I have to do the things. First we will discuss about the team learning, then we have discussed about the appreciative inquiry. Now we have to amalgamate like team learning and appreciative inquiry in the terms of the team building system. So in the team building, what the thing is to be? Team क्या चाहती है? थोड़ा सा appreciation. Whatever the effort they have carried out, because no one want to lose the game is to be there. So in the team, same thing is to be there. Whatever the doctor is to be there, he never want if the patient should die or patient should not be valued to be there. So they have to do the best appreciation to be there. So in this process, in the appreciative inquiry, we have to carry it out by the appreciation views. To appreciate is to recognize the best in the practices to be there. Then second, we have to put down the one inquiry. If we will not get down, if whatever the result is to be come down, we have to do inquiry to inquire to its ask. The 4D cycle can be carried out. Then wholeness. Wholeness. The final appreciative inquiry tenet of wholeness encourage participation from all levels of all organizations. where each and every system can be carried out. So in the learning process, in the learning systems, whatever the process, whatever the system is to be carried out, we should take up the three things. In these three things, we have to carry out values of appreciations, ultimate, around the world. This thing played a vital role in the team building process, in a better team building process to be there. Then we have to take up whatever so is to be there, and if anyone is to be there not satisfied, anyone think it may be possible in the learning process, someone may not be satisfied, or maybe possible someone think that we should encourage others is to be there, so we should take up some questioning form is to be there, by which we can just get down what the team want, what the organization provide, and why, how we can get down certain good result can be carried out. So we should take up inquiry. जो जितना ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन पूछता है उसकी नॉलेज धीमे धीमे उतनी अच्छी बढ़ती जाती है, both the parties, इवन जो उनको जवाब देता है वो भी और जो पूछता है उसको भी. तो we have to get down. So each and every process to be carried out, whatever the design should be, each and every values to be there, and wholeness. जब हम बात करते हैं whatever, because finally in appreciative inquiries, with the things to be is values, because the main thing. So in this practicing inquiries, we have to carry out which is to be explored, which is to be carried out, each and every space we should be carried out on the basis of the team learning approaches to be there. Because appreciative inquiries has the power of appreciative inquiries. If you have to do this type of information is to be there, definitely you will get down a good knowledge is to be there. Because whatever the things carried out in this appreciated as a team learning process system, these learning processes to be there, because strength-based positive approach should be there. So by means of team building, we should give a strength-based knowledge. Or strength-based knowledge is to be there, a scientific approach towards the side of the change management. If until or unless we are not in the chain system or the chain process, definitely we can now say down that now this is the need of that also. So whatever the appreciative inquiries, whatever the process to be there, we can be used in the every systematic ways to be there. So in the concluding session, in the team building development by the means of the team learning and appreciative inquiry, we can say down that this is the need of the today's business in this competitive world, because day by day learning in a scientific way is to be carried out until and unless we will do this type of process to be there. Definitely whatever the result we are expecting, we can come down by the means of the discovery, dream, design and the destiny, because whatever we are expected we will get down by this media. Okay, now this is the overall things is to be there in which we have discussed. Is the complete process is to be carried out.